Welcome to the final tutorial in AARO Academy's series on IFRS 18. In our previous tutorials, we covered the core principles, objectives, key features, and requirements of IFRS 18. Today, we will focus on the transition to the new standard and discuss industry-specific provisions, particularly for banks and insurers. If you missed the earlier tutorials, we encourage you to watch them to gain a comprehensive understanding of IFRS 18. Let's dive into the final part of our series. IFRS 18 becomes effective for annual periods beginning on or after January 1st, 2027. However, companies are encouraged to adopt the standard early if they are ready. Retrospective application is required, meaning companies must restate their prior period financial statements according to IFRS 18 to ensure comparability over time. Transitioning to IFRS 18 will involve revising financial reporting processes and systems. Companies should start preparing early to ensure a smooth transition. A transition plan might include training staff, conducting a detailed impact assessment, and updating accounting software. Staff training is essential to ensure everyone understands the new requirements. Impact assessments will help identify the areas most affected by the change. Updating accounting software will ensure compliance with the new standard. IFRS 18 includes specific provisions for banks and insurers. For example, banks may classify income and expenses from customer financing in the operating category if this is a main business activity. Insurers can classify income and expenses from investments and insurance finance expenses in the operating category, reflecting their core business activities. At AARO Academy, we are committed to supporting your company as you adapt to IFRS 18. We offer a comprehensive package that includes webinars to guide you through the transition. Look for the links in the description below. An ongoing discussion in our AARO community, where you can share insights and ask questions, and our upcoming IFRS 18 training. In addition, our experts in IFRS 18 are ready to take on any of your questions and provide personalized assistance to ensure a smooth transition for your company. To conclude, transitioning to IFRS 18 will require careful planning and preparation, especially for banks and insurers with unique business models. In our first tutorial, we explored the core principles and objectives of IFRS 18, focusing on enhancing transparency, clarity, and consistency in financial reporting. Our second tutorial delved into the key features and requirements of the standard, including the structured statement of profit and loss, disclosure of management-defined performance measures, and enhanced aggregation and disaggregation guidance. In the third tutorial, we covered the transition process to IFRS 18 and discussed industry-specific provisions for banks and insurers. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive series of tutorials on IFRS 18. We hope you found them informative and helpful. For deeper insights and continued learning, AARO Academy offers a range of resources. Visit our website for expert-led webinars and interactive workshops tailored to help you navigate these changes effectively. Thank you for joining AARO Academy. We value your support and would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content and updates. Thank you.